In this video, I'll be showing you how to account for registered deposits when using the bank feed feature with Arthur. The first step is to add a deposit charge to the tenancy. So, first of all, I'm going to go to the Tenancies tab and scroll down until I find the correct tenancy. I'll click the TE reference number, find the statement, and then change it to the deposit statement. As you can see, there's no deposit currently here, so I'll just add a transaction. That is going to be a registered deposit charge. In this scenario, I'm going to be using a £500 deposit. I can then save that transaction. This transaction is now going to appear on my bank feed, ready to be reconciled. So once I've actually received that money, I can reconcile it. So to do that, go to Financials on the left-hand tab and find Bank Accounts. Select the appropriate bank account, and I'm going to scroll to find the relevant transaction. I can actually see that Arthur has tried to match the transaction, but it's not the right one. This is a rent transaction, and I want to match it against the deposit transaction. So I click Not a Match, and then I'll search for that transaction. By searching in the amount 500, I can scroll down to the 1st of December, and I can find the charge that I was looking for, Deposit James. I can tick that, select. Once I'm happy with that, I can click Match. That's going to add a receipt to the tenancy. In addition to that, I also need to match the spent item sent to the DPS. In order to do that, you find the transfer. I can see here on the 2nd of December, I've got £500 transferred to the DPS. You click Assign To, and it's going to be Liabilities. The payee name is going to be my DPS or custodial scheme contact. If you've already not created one, you can just add a new payee here. However, I've already got the contact, so I'm just going to type in DPS, and I can find the entity DPS custodial. The transaction type will be deposit, and there will be no VAT on this. You can enter your own description, but I'm going to enter my description as the tenant name and unit name. Now that I'm happy with that, I can click Match, and this signifies the money sent to the DPS. Now that I've registered the deposit, I can also register this on Arthur as well. So we're going to find that tenancy again. Click on the reference number. And if I go to More in the top right-hand corner, I can click Register Deposit. As you can see, I've already registered this deposit when creating a tenancy. If you haven't already done this, this is where you would add the certificate number and the appropriate details. Once I'm happy with that, I save. And that walks you through the full receiving and transferring deposit process when adding new tenancies in Arthur.